Within these rings lies fire's memoir. Dendrochronologists decode scars using radiocarbon dating and delta-13C isotopes, revealing fire cycles stretching back millennia. In Colorado's Front Range, tree rings show pre-1800s fires every 15 to 30 years, a rhythm shattered by colonial fire suppression. Today, cross-dating these scars with climate proxies exposes a stark truth. Modern megafires burn 6 times hotter than pre-industrial blazes, overwhelming adaptations forged over epochs. Yet, in Sequoias, scars also tell of resilience. Their 2-foot-thick bark and aerial lignin insulate against flames, a testament to coevolution.